So to add to what we said earlier, like this is the ribbon. So if you come here, there is a little icon here. It's showing that ribbon is displayed. This is a ribbon display options. So you can auto hide your ribbon, you can show tabs or show tabs and commands. So whichever option you wish to set it in, you can show tabs only. So when you show tabs only, it maximizes the ribbon and the tabs commands will be visible. This option, when you select it, only your book, workbook, your sheet will be very visible. All other commands are hidden. But if you click on it and choose the other one, this is auto hide the ribbon. If you click it, it's going to drop down. But if you click on the book, it's going to be lifted up. So but what we are using right now is to show tabs and commands at the same time. So lastly, if you come to the bottom part here, this is the normal view of how your worksheet will look. So next to it is the page layout view. If you click on it, you can see page layout view. So the third one is the page break view. So you can look at how it looks empty, but there is information inside. So right now we just need to limit that. So what you are going to do, the exercise that you're going to do right now, or at your leisure time, is to open Excel. It may be 2013, it may be 2016, anyone you choose to, or install your computer. So we are going to click through all of the tabs and review the commands on the ribbon. Don't forget, this is the ribbon. Everything, the entire face of this part is the ribbon. And I'll show you this little icon here that talks about ribbon display options. Everything here you see across board here is the ribbon. So you are going to try to minimize and maximize the ribbon. Add a command to the quick access toolbar here. You are going to add a command in your computer. So you are going to navigate to the backstage view and open your account settings. This is the backstage view. This is account. Say product activated, Microsoft Office Professional. So you can log in. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in into your Microsoft account. So and you try to switch between worksheet views here. Switch. That's what you are going to do. So assignment. Then you are going to close the Excel. You don't have to save it. So this is an option for you to close. This is close here. So see you in the next class. Till then, have fun and take care.